Hello everyone, in this video I will share how to enable wake the screen when you lift it on Samsung Galaxy listed in the title. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. First, open your settings menu. Okay, next open advanced feature. Okay, next open motion and gesture. Okay, next in lift to wake you click enable. Okay, next I will test. Yaps. Okay, successfully again. Yep, successfully. Okay guys, so many tutorials from me. I hope this tutorial is useful. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you.